Okay, greetings to all. Myself, Dr. M. Shakti Mohan, Associate Professor. So, in today's video content, we are going to discuss about the code converter circuit design in specialized with BCD to XS3 code converter. So, in today's content, we are going to discuss about what is BCD and what is XS3, what is the basic principle behind that, and how to convert the BCD code into XS3 code converter. So we'll start with a truth table and ends with a final logic diagram. We'll get into the video. Okay, so before entering to the BCD to XS3 code converter, first of all, we must know about what is BCD and what is XS3, right? Okay, so BCD means the expansion of BCD is binary coded decimal. Okay, so actually what is called binary coded decimal now, so it contains the same code which will be available like binary. Okay, right. So that is, it contains a code from 0 to 9 same as binary, right? So for example, if it is 0 now, it is represented as 000 and 001. So up to 9 it will be represented as 1001. Okay, so with the help of 8-4 tone combination, we just to make the code. But don't forget, for BCD, it contains code only from 0 to 9. Okay, so definitely you will ask one question, and sir, then what what is after 9? Okay, if it is after 9 now, so we'll write the code separately. For 10, you have to write the code for 1 separately and 0 separately. For example, if it is 15 now, so for that you have to write a code like this. That is 0001 for the first digit, and for the second digit, again with the help of 8-4-tone combination, you have to write it. That is 0101. So this is how we have to write the code for BCD, right? But in general, it contains codes only from 0 to 9, right? Okay. So this is the basics of BCD. Sorry. And next, what is called XS3? Actually, XS3 means extra 3. Okay, that is, for example, in BCD or binary, if it is 0 now, we just add 3 with the binary and write the code. That is what XS3. That is extra 3. For example, in binary or BCD, the actual code is 5 means, so we have to add with 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So for that 8 you have to write the code. That is, for 8 what is the code? 1000. So this is what XS3, right? Okay, now we'll enter into the content page. Okay, so you know that the input code is BCD. That is, we can mention the terms as D3, D2, D1 and D0. And for XS3 the terms as E3, E2, E1 and E0, right? Okay, so now the truth table, since I already told you, if it is a BCD code means it contains code only from 0 to 9. Okay, so from 0 to 9, I'm just mentioning the code. That is D3, D2, D1, D0. That is, it starts with 00002 to 1001, right? Okay, and extra 3 means, so the same thing, the for 0 we have to write the code for 3. Okay, because 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, right? So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, so the code is 0011. See here, the code will be there, no? Okay, likewise for 9, actually 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, no? Okay, for 12 you have to write the code. That is 1100, because 8-4-2-1 combination la 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So this is what the code for 12, actually 12, but in the XS3 la, the 9 the code is 1100. Okay, so once you completed the truth table, so the next process is to make the K map for E3, E2, E1 and E0, right? So 4 K map will be there. Okay, so this is what the K map simplification. So K map and all we have already discussed many times. If you want, you can go and see the video also. So in the same digital electronics playlist, the K map video also available. You can go and check it out, that, right? Okay, so once you completed the K map now, so from that you can get the final equation as, that is E3 D3 plus D2 into D0 plus D1. So likewise for E2 D2 D1 bar D0 bar plus D2 bar into D0 plus D1. Okay, likewise for E1 the equation is D1 XNOR D0. Actually this is the symbol for XNOR. Okay, so the XNOR order actual equation is A into B plus A bar into B bar. That is what the actual equation of XNOR, right? and for E naught D naught bar alone, the term will be there. Okay, so once you completed the K map and after getting the final output equation, then obviously we just go for the logic diagram. Okay, we just go for the logic diagram. So you can see this is what the final logic diagram for the BCD to XS3 code converter. I hope you can understand the today's content. So in today's video, we have discussed about the basics of BCD, XS3 and conversion of BCD to XS3. Thank you.